Hi, this is REALME GT2 and I will show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search bar enter Ampere, tap the search button, and now we should get this first application. So just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 30 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the capacity, health, voltage, model of our device, and more other info. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.